If Claude is bugging out, freezing, or not opening properly, this quick fix can often solve the problem in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fully close Claude, uninstall it, download a fresh copy, and reinstall it the right way so you can get back to using it without errors. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, we need to completely close Claude. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and ES at the same time to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps and background processes. Now, look through the Processes tab and find any active Claude processes. You may see Claude listed under Apps, or you may see related background tasks still running. Click each Claude process one by one, then choose End Task. This step is important because if Claude is still running in the background, the uninstall or reinstall process may not work properly. Once all Claude processes are closed, the next step is to uninstall the app. Open your Windows settings, then go to Apps and click Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Claude so you can quickly find it in the list. When it appears, click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall if Windows asks you to, and wait for the removal process to finish. After Claude has been removed, the next thing you want to do is download a fresh installer. Open your browser and go to Claude Download, then download the latest version of the installer from the official source. This is important because a fresh installer can fix corrupted files, broken updates, or installation issues that may have caused the bug in the first place. When the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and find the installer file. Right-click the installer, then choose Run as administrator. Running it as an administrator gives the setup the permissions it needs to install correctly and helps avoid permission-related errors during installation. If Windows shows a security prompt, click Yes to allow it to continue. Then follow the setup instructions on the screen and let the installation finish. Once Claude is installed, open it again and check whether the issue is gone. In many cases, this simple reset fixes problems like crashing, loading errors, or glitchy behavior. It clears out the old installation, removes any broken files, and gives you a clean start with the newest version. If this video helped you fix Claude, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides just like this one. And if you want, leave a comment below and let me know whether this fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.